Let's go bowling. I'll go first.
Oh no!
It went off course.
Now it's my turn. You lost. Go make me a cake.
Okay, I'll go make one for you. What do we have? A box of flour. I forgot. We're out of eggs. Can you bring me some eggs?
All right, give me a minute.
A few minutes later.
Watch me do magic.
Thank you. Which one should I use? Let's use the blue one. Wow! So many egg yolks. The door is stuck.
Let me help you.
Thanks again. You are so helpful. Rainbow jelly powder. I need more decorations.
I'll use my magic again.
You are awesome.
Time for me to dig in. This cake is so delicious.
Next time I'll win.
Wanna go again?
Sure, why not?
Hey Baker, play with me.
No, I just want to sit here and relax.
Ow!
What are you doing?
Ouch!
Stop that. You dumb ducky.
I'm so sorry about that.
This is all your fault. Go make some melted chocolate.
you still mad at me?
Just be careful next time. Here's your cake, sir. We are sorry about that. What is this beautiful cake? One bite wouldn't be a problem, right? Hey, why does the cake look like this? Did you eat it? I knew it.
The cake is so bad. You should try it.
You are right. We need to make another cake.
Hey Baker, I got these for you.
Thank you, Ducky. Don't eat it while I'm not here.
Hee hee, like I would listen to you.
In your dream. Serves you right. Time to enjoy this cake.
Let me out, I'm sorry.
Looks so colorful.